I'm a secondary school science teacher, and Liam Cooper wants to know about tumors and hypertumors. Well, before we can talk about either, we need to understand what a tumor actually is. In healthy cells, they grow and divide, making exact copies of themselves through a process called mitosis. If you can't remember what that is or how it works, then check out the description where I've linked an explanation. And then they stop when enough cells are made. Tumors are abnormal masses of cells that grow too much. They keep making copies and copies and copies of themselves, stealing resources from the surrounding body, and they don't die when they should. Tumors can be benign, not cancerous, or malignant, which is when they are cancerous. Benign tumors may grow large, but do not spread into or invade nearby tissues or other parts of the body, whereas malignant tumors do. This doesn't mean that they're entirely harmless, though. Large growths can be painful, restrict movement, and push on other internal organs. Our bodies have lots of natural protections against cancer. Our cells have built-in kill switches that are meant to stop them from growing out of control, and our immune system is constantly scanning our bodies, looking for potentially cancerous cells and destroying them before they become a problem. Regrettably, these built-in protections are not 100% effective, and some types of cancer have a strong genetic component, meaning they run in families and put some people more at risk. Good examples of this are breast and colon cancer, and if you're somebody who has a family history, the best thing to do is to get yourself screened early and often so that you can apply preventative medicine. Other types of cancer are caused by carcinogens, such as smoking, exposure to high-energy radiation, or unhealthy lifestyles, which I want to point out are often the byproduct of poverty and circumstance and beyond individuals' control. Obviously, live the healthiest lifestyle you can with the tools you have access to. If you're interested about hearing somebody's experience with having a brain tumor and living to tell the tale, then check out this video of mine. Currently, the way we treat tumors ranges from surgically removing them, blasting them with radiation, and hoping to only damage the cancerous cells, and chemotherapy, which interferes with the cell division of fast-growing cells. This is why chemotherapy causes hair to fall out, because that is a fast-growing cell, and the medicine can't distinguish between what is or isn't cancerous. As new technologies develop, hopefully we will find a method to edit cancer out of the human genome entirely, or come up with much more sophisticated and painless treatments. Hypertumors are the tumors of other tumors. They feed on them and prevent them from growing out of control. And this is one of the reasons that there don't seem to be higher rates of cancer in animals with more cells. For example, humans get much more cancer than blue whales. This phenomenon of larger organisms with more cells having lower rates of cancer is called Peto's paradox. And to learn more about that and hypertumors, I highly recommend you check out this video. Stay safe, be kind to each other, and remember, there's no room for shame when growing your brain.